now seeking God's face, you know, because it's truly praying time, and it's been praying time. But the way this world's going, all I want to say is that you want to make sure you are on the lower side. I am heading out. I should have vlogged, but anyways, yes, about this, y'all, I'm telling y'all, that's another thing I'm gonna go into. I'm putting on my AirPods, and I just found out Android users, yes, you can have AirPods for your Android phones. They will connect. I got the newest brand, the latest one, to start learning how to farm your own food and grow your own crops. Okay, so I'm gonna end that right there, and I will continue on later on. So I am currently at this Home Depot, and I am going to look for, I want sunflowers, y'all, in my yard. Sunflowers are special to me, so I'll go ahead and look for some plants for my yard and get some plants that are good also for my baby so he can eat. He's growing, y'all. He's a foot long. I get it. And I need to find a folding chair because I got an event to go to tonight. One of my coworkers having a party, and she invited me, so I was like, yeah, so I might show some clips of that too as well. And let's I'm so happy I found the seeds, and it's gonna be a tall, because I want to grow a tall sunflower stem, whole tree. So I was like, oh, this would be perfect. So hopefully it works out, and gardening works out. So let's go to the next destination.